So let's have a look at some of the features that are available to a normal user in Thothlab. So first feature is this My Labs. As soon as you double click onto My Labs, you will be redirected to the labs that have been assigned to you. You will see the name of the lab when it is deployed. If you click on the drop down on the right, you will have two options. One is lab content and another is lab environment. So if you go to lab content, you will be able to see some things like lab overview, which is brief description of the lab, your environment description like number of VMs, how they are arranged in topology, then tasks which are expected by the instructor to be performed by the student or the person to whom the task is assigned. So as you can see that this is the task of accessing the internet. So we are instructing the students to do bunch of configuration options in their environment to access the internet. Similarly, this second task is for using the firewall. So all this content can be inputted by the instructor and this can be seen by the student. So now let's have a look at the lab environment. So lab environment is something that could be used by the student to perform his lab tasks. So as we can see that this is the topology associated with the particular lab. So this is the lab environment that we will see, and this lab environment will be used for executing a particular task. So we will see in the next video how to use this lab environment and what are a bunch of options that are part of this lab environment.